This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you remove the new adware called FontResultsMultitask. FontResultsMultitask stands for a new adware. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family of infections. FontResultsMultitask adware, once installed, may periodically display pretty intrusive advertisements, and these ads are not related to the sites that you visit. FontResultsMultitask adware also may redirect you to many shady and very dangerous places. To sum up, if you have found this adware on your computer, it is time to remove this adware as soon as you can. To remove this adware, check your Finder, check your applications, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software and start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.